What's up, everybody? Look what we just got in. I know y'all can't see my face. That's fine. My hair ain't picked or combed. Just got in for work. Want to do a quick review. Got something in that's new. First of the first, a 22 made by Glock. I haven't opened the package and will not open the package until I recorded this. So we got the Glock 44. We're gonna open it up, people, and just see what's what with it. Ew. Well, they give you a nice little plank 44, a Glock 44. You know, to my regular gun owners and users know what that is. I ain't going in there. We have four straps. Cool. 2 mags. This looks just like my Glock 19. And it's already made safe, but it looks just like it. So let me see. Drop that slide. It is identical as far as length. It's a nice thing. Okay, so it won't be a difference for me, even though I didn't purchase this for me. I purchased it for my students in order where they won't have that overhead when doing conceal and carry classes. It feels very light. You got your normal Glock sights. On both sides, it does have a slide lock, which is cool. It's empty, if you must see. I'm sure they don't come with bullets as much as you would pay for this. I think this is a 10 round, two 10-round magazines, which is cool. Look at that little barrel. I've never seen a barrel that small. Because this would be my first 22 anything. So if you do the comparison to the Glock 19 9mm, you see the comparison to that barrel, and I can stick that barrel into that barrel. Probably mess up the rifling, but yet and still, you see the comparison. Haven't shot it, as I said. I guess this is an unboxing. It feels pretty good. It's a little rickety, but I guess it's a 22. I'm assuming this is polymer, but it doesn't, to me, it doesn't feel the same, but it could just be the weight. Oh, it does feel the same. It's just the weight. So we got pedestrian slide locks, and clearly, if you're left-handed, you can put the mag release on the other side. Let's see, it has two-stage trigger, but it felt real toy-like. I won't know until it's shot. The slide feels like it's polymer, but yeah, it feels like it's polymer too. Yeah, it's not metal. It doesn't have the same feel as the 19 slide with that metal. Yeah, that gotta be plastic. Does it feel the same as the grip and so forth? Let's take a look on the inside. Same thing, you look at that. I ain't breaking down no signs of nothing. I just want to see this spring and this barrel out. Wow. Yeah, I have to know. I came right in and did this. I tried to beat my wife down here, but she wanted to see it too, so she's here. But that is nice. I really don't have much else to say about it. It's pretty straightforward. If you use Glock, this is a pretty straightforward video, so you'll know if you're not a user of Glock and you're looking to get into it and maybe you like planking, this is the perfect gun visually and how it feels. So I won't know until I shoot it. I definitely will get back to you with another video after, you know, I get some rounds out of it. Probably after I get like close to 1,000 rounds to it, I can probably give you a real idea of what it is. I seen 1 or 2 reviews on it, which were cool. And there's people actually shooting it and using different ammunition. Me and my wife had been talking about it. Glock needs a 22, and you know, I don't read the magazines and so forth. But after we talked about it, I just one day there it was. So I pressured her quick to go ahead and order us some, and here we are. I didn't like the way that sound. Okay. So yeah, need to clean it up. The inside of the slide is metal, but it seems like the upper body of it is polymer. But it feels nice. It's cool. I think it's going to be a great runner at the range. It should be. And you know, when you find something nice, you know what you do. You get twins. You get twins. But yeah, I'm gonna see how well my students do with them. I particularly don't like giving my students small caliber guns if they're planning on shooting and becoming responsible and doing the right thing. I personally don't like to, but I've seen how some actually perform with smaller caliber until they actually get used to being at a range. And I seen a person that I was fearing would do bad do very well with a 22. Wasn't a Glock because it didn't exist then. It doesn't have a reader on it. The reader is on the side, on both sides, for you to be able to count how many you have in the mag. So that's something to look out for. Yeah, and I guess that's a cool thing for loading because you can just pull the spring down. That's cool. I didn't know that. You pull the spring down and load it for everybody to destroy their thumbs when they, you know, when you got new students and you give them some snap caps to put in 10-round magazine, because I always start my students out with 10-round magazines, and later on I give them a 15 to get a thumb a break. But I tell them, like, if you can't load a weapon, you can't use a weapon to protect yourself, because it's required. It's required for you to pass your test. So I ain't gonna keep on running on because I can do that all day. I just want y'all to check it out, give a slight review of it, and give it to y'all. So appreciate your time. Catch y'all later.